welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to go from this natural radiant day look to this nighttime look. If you guys want to see how I went from my day to night look in just a few easy steps, then please just keep on watching. So I'm already primed and did my brows. Now I'm taking the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette and taking the shade Magical and running that all through my crease. I also drag it down to my lids. It doesn't have to be specific or perfect. You just want a wash of the color all over your eyes. Now I'm going to take the shade Potion and I'm going to focus that on the outer crease. This is just to give my eyes some depth. Moving on to the face, I'm taking my Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Nude and I'm just applying that with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium, or it might be Light Sand, I don't know, either one. And I'm just applying that all over my T-zone. I got that in my hair, so go on, concealer head. Now I'm taking my beauty blender, the same exact one, and I'm blending it out. And I use way too much concealer, but you know. It wouldn't take so long to blend it out if I hadn't put so much. Oh my god. Now I'm taking my makeup, I keep wanting to say Makeup Forever, my Makeup Revolution baking powder, and I'm putting that under my eyes, except I'm not baking, I'm just pushing the powder into my skin. I have super dry skin, so I actually shouldn't even be using that much baking powder. And I'm also applying it on a kabuki brush and putting that all over my face. Now I'm taking my Pro Fusion contour kit, and I do not recommend this contour kit. I mean, if you're on a budget, this is only $5 and you can honestly make it work. But the shades, I don't know, they're so chalky. I don't know why this side of my face is so ugly. Can somebody please tell me how that's possible? Like, this doesn't even look like me. Or maybe this does look like me, and I think I look like the other side of my face. Now I'm just taking that Makeup Revolution powder and I am snatching up my nose, and then I'm going to take my NYX matte bronzer in the shade Medium and put that all over my face, because we love a bronze goddess. Am I right? Am I right? That's sarcasm, by the way. Don't forget the double chin. Oh my god, I am aggressively removing this baking powder. Now I'm taking my Pure Cosmetics palette and taking the blush. I think it's called Glowing Blush. I don't know, but this is my favorite blush. It's just bomb. Back into my Dream Street palette, I'm taking the shade Magical under my eyes, and then I'm also going to go in with the shade Potion to deepen up the under eyes as well. Taking my NYX Dewy Spray and I'm just spritzing my face. And now I'm gonna go in with my Amrezy highlight. This is literally the best highlight in the whole entire world. Everybody needs one. Everybody needs one. Back to the ugly side of my face. Why do I look like that? How do we feel about the highlight on the chin? I don't know. Sometimes I'm feeling it. Sometimes I feel like I look like I just had something greasy. Now I'm curling my lashes because I'm not going to put any falsies on, so I have to curl my lashes or else you won't be able to see them at all. I mean, even when I curl my lashes, you could hardly see my lashes, but it's a struggle. It's a struggle. Who is with me with the no lash gang? Like, who is with me? Oh, by the way, this is my Tarteist mascara. I always want to say Tarteist. I don't know why. Tarteist is cuter, I think. Maybe not. Don't forget your bottom lashes, you guys. Do not forget your bottom lashes. I see so many girls who just do the most on their upper eyes, they smoke out their eyes, they put these big lashes on, and they don't do anything to their under eyes. Like, please, at least put some mascara, at least. Now I'm taking my NYX mauve lip pencil and just lining my lips. On top, I'm gonna take my Kim or my KKW liquid lipstick. It's like a cream lipstick in the shade Kimberly. Don't buy these. Kimberly is the only good shade. I have 3 right behind me that I never use.
Okay guys, so that is it for this natural day look. I know it's not natural by any means. I used all of my normal products except for eyeliner and lashes. Yeah, eyeliner and lashes. But now I'm gonna show you how to take this look and turn it into a nighttime look.
Okay, going in with the shade Water Bearer, I'm just taking that on a fluffy blending brush and putting that all over my crease. Now taking the shade Mermaid Boy, I'm just putting that all over my lid using my pinky finger. You can add Fix Plus or not Fix, I don't even have Fix Plus. You can add like water or setting spray to make it more intense, but I didn't do it. Now I'm taking my Lord & Berry liner and I'm using that to line my waterline. And I'm just taking a flat brush and smoking it out without any product on the brush. I'm basically just smearing my liner. These lashes are from the Makeup Shack in the shade Dubai, and I'm just applying those really quick. And you guys, that's basically it, but I want to be extra, so I'm making my highlight intense by adding some setting spray and going over top.
Okay guys, so that is it for the completed nighttime look. As you can see, it was super easy. All I had to do was add those 2 extra eyeshadow shades, and they blended out super easily because my prior eyeshadow look was basically what I used for my transition shades. So that was super easy. Then just add some eyeliner and some lashes if you want. You don't even need to add lashes. You can also add liner with no lashes and it'll still deepen up the eyes, whichever way you like. I know a lot of people don't like to wear false lashes, me one of them, but I didn't feel like doing wing liner tonight. And I left my lipstick the same. I did add extra highlighter, but you don't even have to do that. This was just such an easy transition to make. I added a jacket and a choker just to make it look more nighttimey, and yeah, super easy, super doable, y'all. If you're on the go, just take yourself that palette, take a blending brush, all you need is your finger, and you good. You straight for the night. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like it down below and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, bitch.